The 10 counts that R. Kelly is facing in Chicago could be just the beginning of his troubles, because there are now, we've learned, 2 federal investigations going on at the same time, both out of the U.S. Attorney's offices in New York City, the Southern District and the Eastern District.
Southern District's been busy lately.
Yeah, and they are going to be meeting with the family, with the parents of Jocelyn Savage, who is one of R. Kelly's girlfriends. You know, her family insists that she's been brainwashed and she's being held against her will. She insists that she is there voluntarily. But they are going to be meeting with the investigators, and they say they have something that could really turn the case.
You got to imagine, Charles. I mean, I don't know if this is what exactly this physical evidence is that they allegedly have, but they've also spoken with witnesses too. And this has been a long time coming. If you followed this case and this family, even before the Lifetime docuseries, they were on a mission to get their daughter back.
Now, how old was she when she first met him?
I want to say it was 17.
17, I believe.
So, you know, I think one of the things that we've been hearing is that what they're focusing on, there's something called the Mann Act, which you may have heard of, which is basically taking minors across state lines
for purpose of sex, debauchery, or prostitution.
And this is a law that's been used over the past decades. And they're using the Mann Act because he allegedly traveled with some of these women. And it seems to me that may be why.
One of the things that they're looking at,
that's right,
whether or not they can nail him on that.
That's right.
So, like I said, both investigations, Jocelyn's parents will be meeting with investigators in New York City, and you know they've said that they're on a mission. They wanted to see him brought to justice, and if they don't get him in Cook County, you know, maybe the feds will be able to get them. Is the way her family is looking at this.
Hi, my name is Stefan, and I'm from Chicago. I just think R. Kelly needs to just give it up, because it's been a long time coming. And I just hope that these parents and somebody get justice for their kids, and he should just fess up on some of the lies that's being told. And, you know, I'm sure that's a lot of stress on his part to keep these cases going on and on and on. So I just hope something gives up on one of these counts on these cases.
Yeah.